Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class ngok. Hello. Okay, I will wait for ngok. Okay. Okay. Hello, good evening, ngok. Can you hear teacher? Hi, hello. Hello, ngok. Wow, hello. Can you hear
Hello.
teacher?
Yes,
Yes, that's good to know. Hello and welcome again to our class ngok. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for today's lesson? Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, okay. So let us start our lesson for today. So for our lesson, we are still in Unit 1, which is, can you read this one? I love
animal.
animals. So we are still at our unit one, which is I love animals. But for now, for today, so we will talk about reading and writing. So can you read this one? Reading
Reading
and
and
writing.
writing.
Okay, so for our today's lesson, so we will practice your reading and writing. Okay, so now let's go with our next page. Okay. Okay, so for this, our first activity, so you will write yes or no.
No,
Okay, so let's look at our first sentence. So can you read this one? The dog. Let's read. The dog is, the dog is yellow.
the
Is Is the color of the dog yellow? Yes or no?
no
No. What is the color of the dog?
is brown.
Yes, very good. So it is brown. So next, let us read our second. Let's say the fish is purple.
Yes, is
Yes, it is. Very good. So can you circle where is the purple fish? Where is Yes, very good, Gok. So that is the purple fish. So next, the mouse is gray. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, it is. So where is the mouse? Very good. What color is the mouse? It is.
is is
Grr.
a
What color?
gray.
Gray. Very good. Now let's go to our fourth sentence. The goat is orange. Is it a yes or no?
Mm, no.
No, very good. What color is the goat? Can you circle? What color is it?
It
It's
is brown and white.
very good. It is brown and white. It is not orange. Next, let's say the bird is red and green. Is it the yes or no?
No.
No. What color is the bird and
It
where?
is blue
Blue and?
and purple.
Very good. It is blue and purple. Next, the cow is black and white. Is it a yes or no?
And yes,
Yes. Where is the cow?
it
Very good. So, what is the color of the cow? The cow
is
is
the cow is black and white.
very good. Good job, Gok, in this activity. So, you have correct answers. So, now let's go to our next page. Okay. So for this one, for our second activity, you will color and say like this one. What animal is this? Oh,
This is a bird.
very good. What color is the bird?
It, the color of bird is blue.
Very good. So the bird is blue. Now, let's color this animal. Let's first analyze. What animal is this?
Is a fish.
Fish. Okay. So can you color the fish?
Um,
What color do you like for the fish? Can you color the fish? Let's color. Okay, now let's say what color is the fish?
the color of the fish is yellow.
Yes, very good. The color of the fish is yellow. Now let's go with our next animal. What animal is this?
This is a bird.
This is a bird. Now let's color the bird. So what color do you like for the bird? Go, go. Very good. Okay, now let's say what color is the bird?
Is oranges.
Very good. The bird is orange. Next. Okay, let's look at our third animal. What animal is this?
This is a goat.
Very good. And now, can you color the goat? It it has to be two colors. Which color do you like? What color is that? Okay, what color is the goat?
The goat is red
Red.
and white.
Wow, very good. The goat is red and white. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
This is a cat.
Very good. This is a cat. Now let's color the cat.
Hmm.
Okay, now let us say what color is the cat?
The cat is color uh, blue.
Blue. Very good. The cat is color blue. Next, what animal is our last animal?
This is a dog.
This is a dog. And what color is your or the dog?
Hmm.
Okay, what color is the dog? The dog
The
is
dog is color green.
very good. Wow, good job in coloring and saying the colors of our animals. So good job. Very good. Next, let's go to our next one. So let's read this one. So what is a plural?
The burger.
Okay, so our focus here is plural. Let's say plural.
Plural.
Okay, very good. So let's read this one. So plural means more than one. Okay, when we say plural, yes. So when we say plural, it means more than one. So for example, let's look at this animal. So what animal is this, Ngok?
This is a rabbit.
Very good. So this is a rabbit. So how many rabbits are there in this picture? This one. How many rabbits are there
This
in the
one is a
one?
one rabbit.
Only one rabbit. Very good. So we have here one rabbit. So for this one, so if we only have one thing, so we say it in a normal way, like this one. So this is one rabbit. Let's say one,
This is is we
one.
have one thing we say it in a normal way.
Very good. So if we only have one thing or animals, so we only say it in its original name, like this rabbit. So we only say one. Okay. Okay, Ngok. Okay, Ngok. So when we only have one rabbit, so we will just say it with its original name, only rabbit. So we call this singular if we only have one. So let's look at this second picture. So how many rabbits are there in the second picture?
There is three rabbits.
Very good. So there are three rabbits. So for this one, if we have two or more, so we will add S at the end. So that will be its plural form. So for this one, we only say rabbit because it is only one. But in this one, since we have three, So we will add S at the end. So that will be rabbits. Okay? Okay, for example, the animal cat. So if we only have one cat, so we will only say cat. But if there are two or more cats, we will add S at the end. So we will say cats. So only one, two, or more. Okay? So that will be our plural. Okay, so next, let's go to our next page. Okay, so for this one, so when we say singular, so we only have one. When we say plural, we have more than one, which is two or more. For example, dog. So we only have, can you read this one?
One dog.
One dog. So what will be its form when it is in plural?
A
What will
roll.
we will add? What,
And
what Yes, very good. We will add S. So if there are two or more dogs, so we will add S, like this one. So we will add S at the end to make it plural. If we have many dogs, so we will just add S, like one another example. This one. Can you read this one, Go? One
one.
door.
And the
What will be its plural form? If we have many door, what do you call it?
one or doors.
Doors. Very good. So we will add S if we have two or more doors. Okay, next. Let's have another example. Okay, so let's read this one. One
One.
pencil.
One pencil.
Okay, what if we have two or more pencil? What will
Two
two?
pencils.
Very good. So it will be pencils. So we will just add S. Next example. This one.
One leg.
One lamp. What if we have many or more than one lamp? What will be our word for lamp? If it, if it will be making it as plural,
Uh,
it will be
lamp.
lamps. Very good. So we will just add S. Okay. So remember, so when we say singular, so its form or the thing is only one. But if it's plural, no. So teacher had lost its, oh no. Okay, let us continue our lesson. Okay, so for this one, so remember ngok. So when we say singular, we only have one thing or one animals or any other nouns. But if we say plural, so there are more than one. So we will add S to make it plural. Okay, next. Okay, let's read this one. Can you read this one, Go? There are
S.
There are lots of rules. There are lots of rules when changing words from singular to plural. So be careful. So we are going to look at just two of the rules. So meaning in this one, so Gok, you have to be careful when teacher's internet, it's so slow. Okay. So when we use or when we are changing words from singular to plural, we must be careful because not all plural words only have s. We have es, we add some words on it to become plural. But we will learn about those in our other lessons. So now let us just go with this one. So for this one, so for most words, so we just add s to the end of it to change it into a plural. So for this one, so if we have one pair, so we only use its original pair. Let's say pair. Let's say pair. Okay. What if there are three pair? What will you do? We will add.
And
We will add
to add to add
s.
pay as s
Yes, because it is more than one. So it will become three pairs. So we
three
add, yes, three pairs. From its singular form, so it is only pair. So when it becomes plural, so we will add s. So it will become three pairs. Okay, next. What will be the plural form of desk? Ngok. What is the plural form of desk?
uh, the
We will add,
desk
yes, very
desk
good. So we will add s. So it will be desks. Okay, next. Next word, book. What is the plural form of book?
um
It
book
is
this is
book.
hawk
You will add
hawk
s. What will happen?
hawk
Book to
um,
books. So when we create it or when we do plural form, so we will just add s to after the end of their words. For example, book, books, desk, desks. So there are end or letter s in the end. So for one example, pen. What will be the plural form of pen?
mm, uh, pants
Very good. It is pens. Good job. Next, what is the plural form of month?
mm, months
Very good. Months. So we will just add S. Next, trade. Go again. So teacher's internet. Okay, so now let's go with the word train. What is the plural form of train?
is drinks
Very good. Trains. So we will just add S. How about this one? What is the plural form of dog?
Ducks.
Dogs. Very good. So remember always, Ngok, that we if we want to make it into plural form, so we will just add S at the end. Okay? So next, let's have more examples. Okay, so for this one, Ngok, so if the word ends with one of these sounds, so let's look. What letters are this?
Mm,
S, letter S,
the A
and H.
H
Very good. So
N
this sounds like sh. So it sounds like sh. This one. Sh. This one is letter C and H. Next. So let's us. So we have
D
here
S
S, X, and Z. So if our word ends with one of these sounds, so we will add es. So we will add es to make it plural. So for example, for this word that ends with sh, this one. So this is the singular form of this word is dish. So it ends with sh. So the plural form of this word will be dishes. This is,
dish
yes, dishes. Let's say dishes.
dishes
Okay, very good. So since this word ends with sh, which is this one, so we will add es at the end. Like this one, we add es. So this will be the plural form of dish. It will be dishes. Okay? So now let's have more example for this one.
um,
Okay, so this one, to change these words into plurals, we will add es. This one, brush. One brush. Let's read. One
one
brush.
brush one
There.
brush
Okay, what will happen? What will be the plural form of brush?
mm,
We will add es. What will happen?
and
Brush
then
plus es, it will be brushes.
brush
Yes, so we will add es because it ends with sh. So we will add es, brushes. Next, let's have another example. Let's look at this word. Let's say box. Box. What will be the plural form of box?
Ox.
Box. We will add es. It will be boxes.
Boxes.
Yes, we will add es. How about this one? What is the plural form of glass?
Uh, glasses.
Very good, glasses. Next, what is the plural form of
Uh,
dish?
uh, dishes.
Very good, dishes. Next one, what is the plural form of church?
Dresses.
Churches. Very good. How about this one? What is the plural form of the word bus?
Chưa mẹ ơi.
What is the plural form of the word bus?
Ờ, Hush. Hush.
Bu buses. Very good. So that is our what so that this will be let's go back. So this will be the ending words that you need to remember because these words, so those words that ends with these letters, so we will add es to make those plural form. Okay, so next. Okay, so let us have this as our last slide. So let's say some tricky nouns are the same in the singular and plural forms. So this word or nouns, so they have the same singular and plural form. For example, the word sheep, its plural form is also sheep. So there is, yes, there is no difference. And also deer, its plural form is also deer, not deers. So it is deers. So example, we have two deer. So we will not add s or es. So its plural form is in its original form. So we will not change anything. And also this word aircraft. So the plural form of aircraft is also aircraft. So we will not add s, only aircraft. And also the species. Its plural form is species. So there are also a lot of words that has the same singular and plural form. So their original form is the same as their plural form. So remember this ones, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now before we end our lesson, let's have this activities so that you can practice. So let's go with this one. What animal is this? Go.
Is sheep
Sheep. How many sheep are there?
is what sheep
One sheep. What will you use or what will you add if there are two?
is sheep
Two. Yes, very good. So we will just remain its original form because the word sheep, its singular and plural form is the same. Next, what animal is this?
is mouse
Mouse. Very good. How many mouse?
is one
Only
mouse
one mouse. Okay, how about in its plural form if we have many mouse? What will happen?
is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 six
Six.
six mice
Very good. Six mice. So this example that we have, it is an irregular plural. So the reason why we say mouse to mice and now mouses is because this is an irregular plural. So its form is change
is my
into mice. Very good. Next, what animal is this?
is duck
Duck. How many duck?
is one duck
Very good. Next, how many ducks are in the
is
number
four
six?
is four duck
What is its plural form?
four duck
For duck? With S or without S?
does s
With S. It will be four ducks. Next, what animal is in our number seven?
and
It
it
is
is one fish.
One fish. How many fish are in number 8?
Five. Five fish.
Five. Five fish. Very good. So it will be it's in original form. We don't have to add S or ES. So only fish. Okay. So for this one, Van Gogh, we will end our lesson with this one. Since we do not have much time, so teacher suggests that you practice creating words into its plural form. So I can see that you have an understanding with the plural forms of the words that we have learned today. However, you need to practice more, okay? Because there are a lot of rules when changing singular to plural form. Okay, go practice more, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for your active participation today. So you did a great job and bye bye. See you again soon. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
great day. Bye bye, Gok.
you.